Well, I have to admit, I fall firmly in the camp of eggs really are sort of the perfect food. You have this wonderful supply of healthy, easy to digest protein in the whites, and then you have the yolks that are so full of healthy fats and lots of vitamins and minerals. They're low in calories, they're cheap and easy to come by, and they really are just such a wonderful addition to a diet. I do think, however, that quality really matters. It's been shown that the array of proteins and amino acids and vitamins that you find in the yolks of pasture-raised, grass-fed chicken eggs is completely different than what we find in eggs that come from factory farms or what's known as battery hens. Quality really does matter here. Yes, I understand they're a little bit more expensive, but when you look at the difference, you can taste the difference. You can see the difference in the colors of the yolks. It's really important that you go for those pasture-raised chicken eggs. But I must say, I think nutritionally, they're simply a powerhouse.